All right, welcome back, money makers. This is your boy, and as always, we stay making you make money. This is called the Parakeet AI, and you can get paid up to $1,000 per month to post videos about viral AI apps. You can join the 100 plus creators who have generated over 1 billion views and earn about $300,000 posting simple videos. Again, you will not earn this much if you don't put in as much work. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put in your email address, Monday Moneymakers 271 at gmail.com, and then you can click to apply. And then there's an application. They're gonna thank you. They're gonna put together a quick um, intro, a video explainer that breaks down everything you need to know about what the program is about, what types of videos perform best, and how much you can earn per video. And again, it's parakeet.ia. So after reading through the intro page, you can join the onboarding call I'm hosting here. And if you feel confident about what needs to be done or what needs to speed things up, feel free to skip the call and submit your example video directly through the intro page. Luke Luca is the CEO, so please make sure that you are reading through everything that it asks you. They have sent an email to your actual email about what the program is about. So please make sure you read through that, and they will be able to guide you. You don't have to have any followers. You don't need any followers. Everyone posts on brand new accounts. Creators earn around $10 for every video posted, plus $1,000 in bonuses based on views. And they provide tutorials, examples, and clear instructions, so you know exactly what to do. You just need to follow the instructions. There are no limits on how much you can earn. Our top creators earn over 8,000. Our creators have generated over 1 billion views posting videos about Parakeet AI, and they will teach you how to do the same. So all of these are the creators that already joined and they've seen success. Um, so you're going to send in your application into the email and receive the application instructions. You're going to follow the instructions and submit a one-time example video. They're going to review your submission and approve creators whose videos format follow the format. And then once approved, you can receive access to the creator community and instructions to start posting. So it's four simple steps. So they broke down the creators in three different tiers. The beginner tiers, they make anywhere from $600 to $1,000 per month. Active creators make anywhere from 1,000 to 500 to 3,000 per month. And then our top creators make 5,000 to $10 a month. So eventually you do want to become a top creator, but in the beginning, that's still good, good money in the beginning creator, in the beginning stages. I mean, just think about it. When you're on YouTube, it could take years for that. But once you get into the UGTC programs and all of that, you can start making money right away if you do everything that they say that you're going to do. But other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys later.